Single mom. What if the next stream of income for your household could be birthed right from your kitchen table? What if you didn't have to choose between being present for your children and learning a skill that could help you create additional income? I'm Coach Ross, the Birthing Purpose Coach, and I want to personally invite you into the birthing room experience. This is for the mom who has been saying, I need something I can do from home. I need another stream of income. I have ideas, but I don't know where to start. Everybody is talking about AI, but I don't understand how it is used. Baby, that's why I'm opening the birthing room. You don't have to be techie. Now listen to me. You do not have to be techie savvy to learn AI. You don't need a technology degree. You don't need an expensive computer. And you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. If you can learn Facebook, if you can send a text, if you can search something on your phone, then baby, you can learn AI. And I'm going to teach you in a way that makes sense. No complicated tech talk. No trying to make you feel like you should already know something you should have learned and never learned. We're going to learn it, build it, and birth it. But Coach Roz, how can you help me with AI? How can it make money? How can it help me make money? So glad you asked. That is what we're going to talk about. AI can help you develop skills and create products and services that have income potential from the comfort of your home. I'm talking about learning how to create things like flyers, social media content, digital products, ebooks, graphics, business content, marketing materials, and so much more. You may already have something inside of you that can become a business. You just need someone to show you how to use the tool. That's where I come in. I'm not just going to tell you what AI is. I'm going to show you how to use it. Bring your laptop. This is not a class where I want you sitting there just listening to me, taking notes. No, bring your laptop or your desktop. We're going to come right into your house. Yes, yes, yes. By way of Zoom. We're going to train, we're going to create, and we're going to build. I want you working right along with me. My goal is for you to leave the birthing room saying, Coach, I did it. Because once you realize what you can create, you're going to start looking at that laptop totally different. That's not just a computer anymore. That's a tool. Now, you're probably wondering about this investment. Why only $50? And single mom, I thought about you when I priced this class. The investment is only $50, not because the information isn't valuable, but because I know what it's like when you're trying to take care of a household and every dollar already has something that it has to go to. I want to create an affordable opportunity for women who are serious about learning. So we're starting with a $50 investment in you. You invest the $50, bring your laptop, bring your ideas, bring your questions, and I'm bringing the training. This is bigger than AI, and I need somebody to hear this. You are not too late. Technology is changing, but that doesn't mean you have to get left behind. Your age doesn't disqualify you. Your current financial situation doesn't disqualify you. Being a single mother doesn't disqualify you. And you knowing anything about AI right now doesn't disqualify you. You can learn, you can build, and you can create. And you can birth something that has the potential to change the financial trajectory of your household. I'm Coach Roz, and I believe that as long as you have a pulse, you have a purpose. That's what we're doing in this birthing room. We're connecting purpose with technology. We're connecting ministry and marketplace. And we're here learning how to use AI as a tool to help fund the vision, business, ministry, dream, or calling God has placed inside of you. So, single mom, If you've been praying, Lord, show me another way. Maybe it's time to learn a new skill. The birthing room experience is September the 9th, 2025 via Zoom. Your investment is only $50. Every class that I teach, the investment is only $50. This is what the Holy Spirit gave me to price this at. Five is the number of grace. We're going to learn together. I'm teaching you guys what has helped me. I'm not telling you what I heard, I'm telling you what I know. I have made money with AI, and I want to teach you the skills that have allowed me to be able to make money with AI. So do not delay. Invest in you today. Now, if you are interested and your spiritual baby is leaping and you're getting excited, I want you to comment, put me in, coach, and I'll send you the registration information. So then you'll be able to grab your laptop, get your seat, and meet me in the birthing room. Remember, again, as long as you got a pulse, you got a purpose. Single mom. What if the next